My Life by Henry Carrillo Burgos. My name is Henry Carrillo Burgos. I am from Armenia, but I live in Cucuta since 1977. I am working as English teacher in Madre Maria Berenice High School and San Martin de Porres High School. I'm married, I have a daughter, I live in Parque de Bolívar Stage 2, Tower 9, apartment 504 in Cucuta. In my free time, I share a movie with my family, I do exercises, I hang out with my family, I visit my sick friends, and I go swimming. My wife's name is Xiomara. She is 33 years old. She is a housewife. She likes taking care of her daughter, and in her free time she prefers to go out to different places. My daughter's name is Angie Natalia. She is 10 years old. She is a student and she is in 5th level of primary. She likes to see programs for children and chatting with her friends, and she is brown like her mother. My mother's name is Claudina. She is 71 years old. She is a housewife. She likes soap operas from telenovela channel. In her free time, she likes to hang out with her relatives. I have two sisters. Nancy, my older sister, she is 51 years old. She is a business person. She likes to have fun with her friends, and in her free time, she likes watching television and some videos on internet for preparing recipes. Janae is my younger sister. She is 50 years old. She is a housewife and she likes to hang out with her daughters and her mother. In her free time, she likes watching some movies with the whole family. I have three nieces. The eldest is Nancy Wiji. She is 20 years old. She is a student from the university. She likes watching Japanese soap operas and internet. In her free time, she prefers to go window shopping. Annie Juliet is 17 years old. She likes to play dominoes, cards, and chatting with her friends. In her free time, she prefers to listen to music. My youngest niece is Francie Janet. She is 12 years old. She likes to play chess and watching movies. In her free time, she prefers to go downtown. My father's name was Leonardo. He died at the age of 67 in 2013. He was a businessman. He liked meeting with his relatives and friends. In his free time, he liked watching sports on television. In my last vacation, I went to Chinacota. I went with my wife, my daughter, my niece Annie Juliet, and Juliet's boyfriend, Michael. I met new people from Chinacota. We went there by bus. I had breakfast with my family in a restaurant. Then I walked through the city. I visited the church. I visited the culture house. I played chess set with Michael. I saw everything in this place, and I shared a movie with my family there. After that, we went to Isla Vita Hotel. My family swam in the swimming pool, and we saw the soccer match between Colombia and Argentina. Then I had lunch at the restaurant called The Teacher. Then I went to the hotel again for swimming. Finally, we walked to the park and took the bus to Cucuta. In 5 years, I am going to get my bachelor degree. I am going to work in a high school, maybe in the public high school, because the salary is better. I am going to buy a new car because I live far away from the city. I am going to have a better health because of the diet and doing exercises. I am going to buy everything I need for my apartment, as such some curtains, furniture, a new washing machine, and a new television. In 10 years, I am going to travel to different places with my family. In 10 years, I am going to create my own materials in order to sell for everybody who is going to learn English. I am going to pay the university for my daughter, and I am going to create my English Institute. In 20 years, I am not going to teach English. I prefer to management my business. I am going to dedicate all my time to my family, and I am going to enjoy everything that I can. Thank you for watching my video.